Which finally takes us to mystery number 3. Why is the DRAM package farther away from the SoC than the NAND package? So this might need some explanations, but you see this setup on screen? Yeah, this is PCB design 101. What not to do when designing a device. DRAM must be physically closer to the SoC because it uses high-speed, tightly timed interface, DDR, that is far more sensitive to signal integrity and timing skew than NAND, which, operates at a lower speed and is therefore less sensitive to trace length. So let's put that in simple speak. CPUs of all types need fast access to memory. You want the chip and RAM to be as close as physically possible. This is why you'll see a lot of thin and light laptops have faster RAM speeds versus gaming laptops because of the soldered LPDDR. This design decision just baffles me. I don't know why they did this. So this Nanya chip is a DDR3 SDRAM part. You can tell because of the large part number identifier. Inside that number salad is the telltale sign, 128M. This portion usually indicates a 128 megabyte die per device width. So this chip typically provides a total density of 1 gigabyte of DDR3 when it's organized with 8 bits wide, as this chip is. The other chip is the NAND package. It's a generic 16 gigabit parallel NAND flash chip, and this is what houses the emulators, ROM, OS, etc. If you look at the part number again, you can see a pattern. The 16B08 part means that it's an 8-bit bus and that package is 16 gigabytes. So for some reason, they decided to put the latency sensitive RAM package further away from the CPU that desperately needs fast access to memory. You can clearly tell this device suffers because the operating system is extremely slow. The system is already being neutered because of the insufficient RAM, in my opinion, and you go and make that worse by having the very slow eMMC NAND act as a proxy for your RAM. That makes no sense to me. The only thing I can think of was the manufacturer decided to use the NAND as a sort of pseudo RAM. Since this device supports swapping, which is using your storage as RAM, they probably thought they could get away with longer and cheaper traces for the DDR3. Well, they were very wrong. If any of you are watching ever think about becoming hardware engineers, please do not design your handhelds like this. I promise you, you're not saving any money doing this.